Prince Mashel ungomunye wabantu abagxekayo. Esikhathini esiningi ugxeka yonke into, akukho la kancome khona. Yabona i-ANC sifuna iphume emandleni, kodwa ngeke sikubalekele ukuthi i-ANC kuningi ekwenzile futhi yakwenza kahle. Angeke sikubalekele lokho ukuthi i-ANC ziningi izinto ezenzile, yazenza kahle. Uma ungacompare amazwe ase-Afrika, akekho kulamazwe ase-Afrika nathola inkululeko yokuqala, angeke waqhathanise nawo, alikho izwe ongaliqhathanisa nawo elenzele abantu balo, ikakhulukazi laba abamnyama njenge-ANC. Alikho, ngoba la mazwe ase-Afrika into ayenza kangcono hayi i-corruption, aya excela lapho, kodwa ayikho into ethuthukile ngabantu babo nethuthukisa abantu babo. I-ANC i-provide izindlu for abantu, ya-provide ugesi, ya-provide amanzi, ya-provide imigwaqo, kwase kuba khona i-corruption. Manje ngenxa ye-corruption sekuba sengathi i-ANC ayikaze yakwenza lutho oluhle. Ekhuluma-ke nabantu baseThekwini, ufike wahlasela uPhakela uMthakathi kabi kabi benoPhenipheni, wababiza ngama-non-thinkers, usho nje abantu abangacabangi. Ama-members omphakathi abawamlalele abazange akujabulele lokho. Ngifuna nje ukucaphunela leyo video futhi ngikubeka ukuthi yazi la emhlabeni noma ungaba nani, mazi omunye umuntu, noma ungazazi ukuthi uhlakaniphe kangakanani wena, kodwa mazi omunye umuntu futhi umhloniphe omunye umuntu. Noma ungambona izinga lakhe liphansi kunawe, kodwa mhloniphe.
Bad are more powerful, the good are less powerful. Why? The good believe that there must be order. If you want to succeed, you must go to school, acquire a skill, apply for a job, rise up the professional ladder, and you will succeed. Go to church, be a good human being, good neighbor in your community. The bad believes that you need to pervert the system. Pervert it. Swindle. Steal. Hire a friend or a relative. That's my theory of society. Could be wrong, but that's how I read society. That's the first thing. The good lack courage. And when I talk about thinkers, the good lack courage. The bad are daring. Then this brings us to thinkers. Where do thinkers stand in all of this? The people who call thinkers are in the main the educated segment of society. They've been to school. Those people, this is how thought died, are very calculating, very careful. They have privileges to protect. A house, a job, children in a private school, and therefore they are very scared. They do not want to shake the tree because there are real consequences. These are the thinkers. On the other side, there are non-thinkers. Phakela uMthakathi, Penny was a member of MK at some point in parliament. And before then, he was a member of the ANC. And I've been in trouble for calling him out. And he happens to be Shangaan, by the way, who are from the same group. And chiefs were sent to me to say, man, you must apologize, we're dividing our nation. I told them to go jump. Phakela uMthakathi and Penny, they don't calculate. No, they don't calculate. They fear no consequence. If they decide to go to the street, they just go to the street. And they actually don't polish their language. You saw Dr. Gigaba here. His English is very polished. And your family wrote very good. I can assure you, if you had Phakela uMthakathi on the one hand, he says, let's go and march tomorrow, we're going to downtown Durban, and we had this polished English, people will go with Phakela uMthakathi. Yeah, it's true. That's how it works. That's how the non-thinkers have become popular. The thinkers actually have distanced themselves socially from communities. They can no longer be understood by communities. And they are not aware of it. Completely disconnected. Phakela Umthakathi is embedded. When the thinkers go to society, this is what happens. They come in G-Wagons. Yes, they come in G-Wagons. Expensive suits. They come to collect slave queens. It's true. So I'm not going to speak polished English. They come to collect slave queens. And actually they have now developed a bad reputation in society. The thinkers. They have become illegitimate in society. And they are extremely opportunistic, the thinkers. They may be highly educated. They speak polished English, but they kneel before Jacob Zuma. Did you get that? They are highly educated. Yes, highly educated, but they defend Penny. How? They are slaves of a salary. They are slaves of a tender. They want to drive these big cars.
Ezingicela kule channel ukuthi uma ngabe kwenzekile kukhona esingavumelani ngakho masingathukani. Uma futhi imbono yethu iphambene akusho ukuthi thina sesixabene kodwa kusho ukuthi imbono yethu iphambene ngaleso sikhathi. Ngoka Prince Mashele abantu abangafundile ngoba ngesingaye Phakela Umthakathi akafundile beno penny. So ngaleso sizathu they are non-thinkers. Ngikhuluma mina ngabantu abakwazi ukusurvive bengafundile. Phakela Umthakathi unemfuyo. I think ngesikhathi ayithola iaward wathi unembuzi engaphezulu ka400 imbuzi zodwa. Awukakayibali inkomo nazo. Mhlawumbe abantu bambone ehamba la emgwaqweni umfuyi nje osemthethweni wenza imali ngamaplaza. No Jacinta unjalo uneplaza uneinkomo naye. Penny ke umuntu odume emculweni noma uzomkhulu omuhle odlula abantu abaningi abasebenzayo ngoba baningi abantu abasebenzayo ababulawa zikweleti abanalutho okungolwabo ngoba yonke into yabo incike ezikweletini. Kodwa ke uPrince Mashele umuntu angavumelani naye umbiza uthi akafundile. Ushuthi ufuna kuhloniphe ngoba ufundile noma une certificate esithize noma une degree ethize. Yina esengakuhlonipha. Umbuzo angazange asibuze wona ukuthi kungani abantu beqokela ukulalela uPhakela Umthakathi afika abeka induku phansi abeka ubhoko phansi athi ningalweqi abantu bame bangeqi. Then bese uyitshela bonke labantu abalandela uPhakela Umthakathi nabo abacabanga. Ngifuna ukucaphunela into eshiwo ngabantu mabephendula lenkulumo le ayishilo uPrince Mashele. Ngiyafisa futhi sikuqonde lokho. Uma ungavumelani nomuntu akusho ukuthi nixabene. Kuphambene nje imbono. Ngihlezi ngibatshela abantu ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi we are going through a lot as ama South Africans. So uma kwenzekile saphambana mhlambe sangabona ngasolinye bese wena ubona ukuthi inhlamba noma ukungithuka kuzokupha ukuthula wena emoyeni wakho noma kuzokulethela ipeace. Ufune kungithuke ngempela mina ngoba ngwakwenu ngiyaqonda mina isimo esiphila phansi kwaso. Futhi kukhona abantu abanama anger issues okusafuneka bazixolele bona. So ngihlezi ngibatshela mangithola ithuba ukuthi hayi mina nginankinga nokuthuka angina inkinga. Uma ngithukwa nguwe nje lokho uma kwenza uphile wena kulungile.
I want to ask questions starting from Mr. Mashele, coming to Mr. Duvernay. First, I want to understand Mr. Mashele as a critical thinker. I've never heard you coming up with solutions. Instead, you are forever criticizing. I'm very much interested to hear what solutions do you have for this government going forward. That's one. Two, I've never heard you saying anything about private businesses, especially if I may just quote medical aids, screwing people, not paying some portions of the medical bills. You never say anything, but very quick attack the government. Lastly, I understand the issue of education, but I'm a bit worried that if every time you open your mouth, you target Jacob Zuma. I'm not shy about it. I'm not connected to any political party, but I do not understand why always attacking Jacob Zuma.
I've listened to I'm Tami Msomi. I've listened to the contribution by the presenters here. There was a bit of going off the rail, because I think what talking about a challenge confronting our society of the shortage of the thought leadership. I know each and every presenter did touch upon it. But the point that I want to make is perhaps the important question that we have to ask ourselves is that amongst us, who's the thinker? Who's the non-thinker? You know, we are the middle class here. Most of us live in gated estates or in historic and white suburbs. We don't come from Inanda. We don't come from Wamashu. Now, people from Wamashu will have their own challenges there. And if we are here at Dube, at Hillcrest, people from Wamashu will not look for you, will identify leadership amongst themselves, because they will be comfortable with people who understand their issues better than you. If we define ourselves as thinkers, the mistake that we must not make is of arrogant selves, because we define ourselves as thinkers. Leadership is not imposed, but earned. So we are not going to be leaders who will continue sitting like this, discussing like this, for as long as we don't deal with issues, bread and butter issues, because people are suffering out there. They have their own issues. And if we don't focus on those issues as people who define ourselves as thinkers, people will not regard us as their leaders. They will identify this thing of also defining certain people as non-thinkers. I think we shouldn't accept, in my view, because our society is largely constituted by the working class. So we have not reached the level that Mashele has reached. Mashele is far ahead of us all. Also, I want to make this particular point. This oversimplification of our problems, the problem of our society is a problem. You don't just need a group of educated people, black and white. That's not what you need. You must confront problems. Our society has a problem. We have a history. We have a history.
Ngithe ekuqaleni noma ungaba nani mazise futhi mhloniphe omunye umuntu. Awukwazi ukuthi ngoba uphakela umthakathi uphambene mhlambe nembona nayo nangendlela abuka ngayizwe. Ungathi ngoba uphakela umthakathi umazi ukuthi akafundile bese uthi he's a non-thinker. Lokho nje kukodwa khombisa ukuthi wena ukhulile, unenkinga. Okwesibili, uma wena abantu ozobathatha njengama-thinkers, uzothi laba abafundile. Ukufunda phela kusho ukuthi unolwazi. Ukufunda kusho ukuthi uyakwazi ukumemorize something otshelwe yona. Kodwa lapho awunalo ulwazi wena. Sinazo nje idome ezifundile. Ziningi kabi idome ezifundile, ziningi. Sinazo. Angizocaphuna ivideo yokugcina manje bese siyayivala le video.
Sizwe Shiba, I'm coming from Umlazi. There is a question in my mind. What kind of society do we need from now in order for us to have that society? What kind of leaders do we need? In order for us to have those kind of leaders, I'm going back to the question of society. What kind of society do we need to develop lolo hlobo lama leaders esilifunayo? Because one day sizovuma uma imbongolo ethi tomorrow I can be there, I can win a race, ngizoba uKing's Fortune ihashe likaSidumo, while we know exactly ukuthi wena awulona ihashe wembongolo. Bese ngibuya kula speaker ukhulume ngama-thinkers nama-non-thinkers. My question is, uthinte igama likaPhakela uMthakathi ukuthi he is a non-thinker. Maybe ukuhambe lapha edolobheni eThekwini, mhlawumbe nakusasa nje kuseni uma ungadriver, uhambe nje lapha ngakuBorder Garden, uthi ukudriver then bese ngibuza ukuthi uphindane kusasa uthi Phakela uMthakathi is ama-non-thinkers. Abantu abama-thinkers, abantu abahlala kanje bakhuluma isilungu. Amen.
Igama Ndaba Nhlokuthelezi. Prince Mashele, just one question for you. Does one become a non-thinker simply because they don't think like you? Can I repeat that question? Ngoba ngibona unyakaza. Does one become a non-thinker simply because they think differently from you? They view things differently from you. They then become non-thinkers. And while on that, we once had a minister, just to remind you, GNU. They developed a policy using AI. An educated minister from the DA. I'm not ANC, I'm not MK, I'm just a citizen. So, we have an educated person failing to think critically and develop a policy. And yet, it's easy for you to point out to Gutobani, so and so is a non-thinker, and yet you see solutions from what they're doing. Maybe you need to change how you think, you as a person. They say you must seek first to understand, to be understood. You have not given yourself a chance to understand how these people you call non-thinkers got to where they are. Our societies and circumstances shape us. You don't just become how you are. I'm a rural boy from Emahlabathini Lundi. At the moment, I cannot come and tell Abantu bakwaMashu how to think because I don't fully grasp their lived realities. I'm just there temporarily. So just before Uba be with the people. Thank you.
But how? We've got to develop the all-round competencies and leadership skills of the youth. Because the mistake we have made in the conversation tonight is to demonize intellectuals. We've fallen right into the trap of demonizing intellectuals and creating an artificial dichotomy between an intellectual and a doer, an academic and an organic intellectual, when in actual fact what the debate challenged us to do was to find synergies, to bring these two together, so that we don't walk out of here feeling that the intellectuals are a problem of society and the non-intellectuals are the solution of society. Go to Japan, go to China, go to Russia, go to Dubai, go to Singapore, South Korea, go to India. Those countries have been built, and the reason why India, China, and all the Southeast Asian countries have been able to increase the control of their productive assets by the indigenous middle classes of those societies was because they invested in education and allowed their intellectuals to drive the development of these countries without demonizing those who are not the intellectuals. And so you use those who are at the forefront to pull along those who are still developing, to ensure that they also, along the way, benefit from the progress that society is making. So let's not make the mistake of undermining intellectuals and undermining the role of organic intellectuals and the role in society of the working classes. Let's not undermine the role of the working classes, because at the end, society is built by the working class on the shoulders, on the backs, on the blood, the sweat, the toil of the working class. Now, I understand, Enzo, that you say we are recycling ideas. And I think that the question you were asked in the end actually put you in a spot. It's easy to criticize, but what solution do you offer? And I don't think we need to be hard on you. You are young. We were all like you at one stage. The question that we need to do is to put our thinking caps a little bit harder, tighten them, and think harder about the solutions we want to propose for South Africa.
uGigabyte ukhulume sokomuntu omdala futhi mdala uyezwakala umuntu osekhulile noseyibonile impilo futhi ngiyafisa sengathi lento ayishoyo ngayibona yenzeka yokuthi uma kukhulunywa ngento ethize kukhulunywa ngaleso sihloko kungabheka ukuthi sikhulunywa ubani ngoba kwesinye isikhathi kulahlekelwe into ofune kuyizwe ngenxa ukuthi ikhulunywa uMelusi Gigaba kwake kwa trend video yakhe bese ugcina ungasamlalelanga yena ungasalalelanga lamaphuzu abalekile akawashoyo ke iqiniso lilonke lithi ama leaders ayazalwa kodwa esezelwe ayagrunywa afananga senze iphutha sithi leader umuntu ozozalwa ngoba uzelwe ingakho siba nenkingi ukuthi sinawo amakhosi yebo bazelwe bona ukuthi babe ngamakhosi kodwa abazange bagrunywa ukuthi balide baphathe isizwe ingakho kuzokhulunywa noma yini size sethi umsebenzi wawo wasiwuboni ingoba abawenzi lo msebenzi ofuna ngabe bayawenza njengabantu abaphethe isizwe kukhona i-responsibility yabo abangayi-exercise kodwa baphethe isizwe kubantu ke uma sithi umsebenzi wamakhosi awukho kuba sengathi siyawahlasela kanti cha suke singawahlaseli yebo khona bazelwe futhi bayiwa amakhosi asiphiki kodwa inkinga ekhona i-leadership kubo iyona into engekho into eyenzakalayo bazibheke bona nemndeni yabo lokho kwenza ukuthi bavele bafane nosopolitiki ngoba kuba khona intandane esizweni Nkosi ingalekeleli ngalutho kuba khona abantwana bagudi ngeincwadi makufuna ngabe bayafunda bayaqhubeka bayaphambili Nkosi ayilekeleli ngalutho uma ngabe kufuneka inkosi ize nama programs azothuthukisa izwe nabantu ebaholayo kuza ama programs kube nama skills kube develop kube nemisebenzi abantu basebenze isizwe sibe right ngakwenza kodwa uma engasi inkosi ithola ideal ezokwenza ukuthi yena ahambe ngemoto enkulu simbone ukuthi inkosi agqoke kahle bese siyambona ukuthi inkosi ama leaders they are born ayazalwa ama leader awukufundela ukuba leader uyakuzalwa kodwa uyagrunywa kuze ube leader